What's up everybody guys, welcome back to Myanmar tutorial. So as you saw the intro, we're gonna make that GPU generative particle with TouchDesigner plugin in UE5, which is called TouchEngine. Some people say, why use the TouchEngine? So you don't need to use that. Because TouchDesigner can be capable to calculate it with GPU easily. I tried it to do the same thing with only Niagara particle system in UE5, but I can't. So TouchDesigner is awesome, right? So yeah, you're gonna see how it's gonna work, how amazing TouchDesigner TouchEngine is. These are 5 steps to make it. First one is making the position and the scale with top. It's like a GPU protocol. 2. Install the TouchEngine plugin in UE5. 3. Sending the top as a text to UE5. 4. Applying the tops to the Niagara protocol. 5. Sending the audio as well. So because it's a visual tutorial, so you need to always audio information to be reactive with their audio, right? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. So first of all, there is a most important thing. I highly recommend to update the TouchDesigner to latest version. So at least 2022.33910. And also you should make sure Unreal Engine is 5.2. So I think you can use another version, but just in case, you should match the requirement to them. Okay, so we're gonna make a elastic grid, which I already made in this last. You might think you need to watch that one again. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna show it in this tutorial as well because it's a little bit different with the last one. So let's I'm gonna delete all of them and I'm gonna add the base comp, and I'm gonna add the customize component which I want to to the parameters. So first one is name is first name is low, and the float one the vertical. No, at the parameter. Next one is code. It's like a column. And the third one is a noise speed parameter. Cool. So we can add them here. I want to default value. So low is 6. Column is 6. Speed is 1.15. Okay, let's jump into this comp. I'm gonna change the name. It's thick gray. So let's jump into the inside of the comp. So I'm gonna add parameter okay, so I'm gonna add the noise top, and the parameter is like period harmony 5. I'm gonna change the resolution x1, and y is rotated. Input smooth is nearest, viewer smooth is nearest pixel, and this is a pixel format 32-bit float mode. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm creating the Y grids that scale is always changed by the time. So this is a base noise. So I need to change the transform as well. So generally, I'm gonna add the time dot to second here. I want to change the speed. So to do that, I'm gonna constant, and I'm gonna write as time seconds, and I'm gonna add the mass chart, and I'm gonna drag this noise to multiply here. So now we can change the speed of the noise, and I'm gonna know, and I'm gonna apply this one to the code. Now I'm at the mass top. And then I want to make sure it always positive. To do that, I'm gonna change the channel post up, so it's gonna be positive. And make sure input is in your pixel and your pixel. So now we have a 1 to 5 scale input. So the each one cell divided by cell. So what's gonna happen? So it's gonna be the rate of the within the whole barriers. So we can separate with a noise scale, but it's always the sum of the scale is 1. So that's our algorithm to make. Let's analyze. And operation is sum. And the scope is columns. And then we don't need to alpha channel. And I'm gonna mask, no, comp. So as I told you, I want to choose the divide. And I'm gonna connect the sound here, and then is input 1, and then a common pixel to Smith nearest pixel. So if I click this one, and I'm gonna right click, now I'm gonna select display pixel value, so we can see the. So now like after 1 second, so if I after hold this value, so it's gonna be 1. So but it's this is a Y version. And then I'm gonna add the fit and then fit method is a fill, and I'm gonna change the resolution. W is a low call, and Y is a low, and I'm gonna change the nearest pixel. Okay, and I'm gonna add the node, and I'm gonna view smoothness. So it is a whole scale of the Y. And I'm gonna also Y position. So it's a little bit complicated. So I'm gonna flip. Flip is bottom left. Change the nearest pixel, move it to the right. And I'm gonna add the fit. And also I'm gonna change the resolution. So I'm gonna drag the row and drop to here. I'm gonna do the same thing to for Y. And I'm gonna change the fitness. It's gonna be fill. Okay, so I'm gonna make a lamp, and the type is radial. The position is 5, 0.5, and the phase is 5 divided by 8. So we can make this triangle. Also, I'm gonna change the distribution. Same with the rows. Drop here, and the same thing as well. And if I change nearest pixel, and then radius, I'm gonna change it until this is 1. And then I'm gonna so we can change the integer to the round. And if I change the nearest pixel, so we can make the Y the drag stair value, because like it's not 1, right? So that's why I choose the round. Okay, so I'm gonna multiply, and here equal. So I'm gonna analyze top as well, because I want to sum, and the scope is rows. So I'm gonna add a math top from the so mark 0.5, because I want to move it with half of the scale, and then at the comp, and I'm gonna connect it here. Okay, and then change the nearest pixel near this. I'm gonna add the fit, and I'm gonna change to the fill, and also I'm gonna change the distribution. Color is Y, X, low is Y, and then change to the nearest pixel near. So as you can see, 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 8, 1, but it's not like that. It's just it's an example, right? So but you can see the value is increasing. So you can just stack the box to the y-axis. So and I'm gonna add the node and change the nearest pixel. So this is a y position, and this is the y scale. Okay, so what we missed, x position, but its x scale is a little bit complicated than y version, because each row has a different scale, and the show it how to do that. So I'm gonna have the noise stop as well, and the parry up to 2, 1, spread to 5. I'm gonna turn off the monochrome, and I'm gonna change the resolution as well. So X is core, Y is low, and also you need to change RGBA. So it's precise, more precisely. So yeah, everyone use the 32-bit 2-bit to use the noise as a particle. Also to drag a time value to the translate zip. So we're gonna do almost the same thing from the one version. So math, and then channel post is positive, and I'm gonna add the analyze, and the operation is sum, scope is rows. I'm gonna ignore the alpha channel, and I'm gonna divide here. The operation is a divide, and the fixed layer is a input one, and I'm gonna change the input pixel, nearest pixel. Okay, now, so this value, if you add to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's gonna be 1. And also same thing that row 2, 1, if you add the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 value, it's gonna be 1. So if I tried it, this calculation in Niagara particle, I can't do it. Yeah, Niagara has a HLS like a function, so I can write kind of the calculation, but it's still like an experimental, I think. So if I use the for loop in the HLS shader, so it works until the 40 or 50 particle. But it's like if I increase the more particle, it block. I don't know why. So I think it's still not good at modifying the shader by myself, and also it's very hustle to make that. But it's in TouchDesigner, it's very like easy. Like we need to just 3 or 4 tops and just click the here, click the here, click. So that's why it's really good. I don't want to complain the Unreal Engine. So I like the both of them. So in my opinion, combination of the TouchDesigner and the Unreal Engine is amazing. So I'm gonna add the null, and then so I'm gonna add the one more null here. So we're gonna add the position. So I'm gonna add the fit, and the method is the fill, and I'm gonna change the this relation. X is call, so Y is a call, and multiply row, not call, row. So I'm gonna copy these two nodes, copy and paste, and I'm gonna add the multiply, and I'm gonna look it up, and the fixed layer is input 1. Excuse me. And I'm gonna move the this article, and I'm gonna insert the another. I'm gonna add the crop top. It's not close. I'm gonna change the crop top, drop the row here. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna add the sum. Analyze to use the sum. And scope is rows. At the point, so I'm gonna open the palette. And I'm gonna go ahead to the point class, and we can choose a point repack. So I'm gonna drag and drop. So and I'm gonna connect it here. So we need to also change the resolution. So row Y cool SX. Okay, so now I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna also add the mask almost die. And I'm gonna change the multiply, where is it? Is 0.5. And I'm gonna add the mask to that. I'm gonna change the place as nearest pixel. Yeah, this pixel. And I'm gonna know and change the nearest pixel. We almost done. So this is Y position. This is Y scale. This is X position. This is X scale. So I'm gonna reorder node that I want. So I'm gonna connect it input to 2, and here. Also, I'm gonna connect it mass to the in 3. And I'm gonna change the output green to and output blue is input to 3. And then I'm gonna change the pixel format. This. And I'm gonna note which is called pause position. So I'm gonna do the same things for the scale. I'm gonna add the reorder. So first input Y, no X. So second input is Y. And the third input is this one. This is for Z. So I'm gonna output 2, output blue is input 3. So I'm gonna change the input smoothness to the nearest pixel. And I'm gonna also load up the vanilla and the code scale. Okay, so I'm gonna at the out. Also, I'm gonna add the out to. So you need to be careful about the here. I always recommend to name it what you want. So pause out. After all, this is scale out. Because if I use the TouchEngine, we have to specify the name of the output. This is used by the name. So that's why I told you. Let's see how it works in TouchDesigner. So I'm gonna add the grid up. Always do. Column is 2. And the geometry comp. So let's turn on the instancing. Then translate up is a post, which is and the scale is this one scale. Well, it's not correct. Okay, so it seems wrong. So that's because we forgot to change the nearest pixel here. So here fit all. So I'm gonna change the nearest pixel and I'm gonna change the nearest pixel. Yeah, seems great. And yeah, if I press that W, so we can see this as a wireframe. Okay, sounds really good. So we're gonna save this elastic grid as a text. So I'm gonna right click and save component. So you can place it wherever you want because I'm gonna move it to the Unreal project later on. So I'm gonna save it in my folder. So we're gonna move to the Unreal Engine. So I'm gonna close this project and let's go to the TouchEngine for Unreal plugin repository. So I already pasted the link below. So yeah, if you are here, so let's download the plugin. So if you go to here, so all you need to do is click on this one. So you click, so it's gonna start the download. So make sure you need to download TouchEngine for Unreal plugin from here, not this repository, because if you download from the here, something missing like a DLL. So if you come to here, if you click on this link, you can go here. Okay, so once you finish the downloading, we need to extract TouchEngine. The file, I'm gonna extract it here. Okay, so let's make a new project. So I'm gonna go to the Epic launcher and the library, and I'm gonna use the 5.2 because it's supported by TouchEngine. So let's click on the launch. So I'm gonna use the new blank project, and name is so GPU particle. No, TouchEngine particle. So create. So I'm gonna make the new level. So let's go the new level, and I'm gonna add the basic, and I'm gonna click on the save. I'm gonna add the new folder, which is called, I'm gonna call it maps, and I'm gonna save it here. So name is particle level. All right. So I'm gonna change that here and particle level. Save it again. So let's install the TouchEngine plugin to the for this project. So what I need to do is let's go to the project folder. So probably you don't have any plugins folder. So we're gonna make the new folder. So I called it plugins. You should the name correct. You should name it correctly. So and then I'm gonna dive into it. So you already download the TouchEngine plugin. So and you already extracted. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna drop to here. Okay, that's it. And if you go to the plugins folder, so let's search the TouchEngine. So they don't have it. So now I'm gonna close the project and I'm gonna open again. Okay, so let's go to the plugins folder. So I'm gonna search TouchEngine. So you can find the TouchEngine plugin. That's cool, right? So I'm gonna enable this plugin, and you have to list it now. Yes, that's it. So I can already import the TouchEngine.